How to cancel a one-click pay on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. You will land to the home page. Now here you're gonna find different items. Head over to the item that you wanna purchase. In the case you cannot find the item over here, at the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there you can type in the product name and search for it. Once you get the item, just click on it. Now select the details and quantity of the product. Then click on Add to Cart. Once we're done adding the items to the cart, you can head over to the cart section. At the bottom right corner, you're gonna see the option of cart. Click on it. Once you're in the cart page, here you're gonna find all of the items that you have added to the cart. Now select the items that you wanna purchase and click on checkout. Once you're in the checkout page, first up you have to provide your shipping address, then select your shipping method. Scrolling down, you'll find this section of payment methods. Under that, you're gonna find different options. If you have set up one-click pay, it's gonna appear over here. You have to click on that and click on remove. Then go ahead and select another payment method, app pay, card, PayPal or any other payment method. Then you can submit your order. So this is how you can easily cancel one-click pay on Temu. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.